Hi, Mary here from Just Plum Crazy. We're here with the Timber Ridge adjustable height camping folding table. It weighs only 10 pounds, measures 47 by 23 and a half. The legs adjust to 21 inches, or you can adjust it to 28 inches. You don't have to worry about burning the top. It has a heat-resistant tabletop and a powder-coated frame. It's available on Amazon.com. When it folds up, it fits into tight spots, and it's just 26 by 3.5 by 25.5 inches. Get yours today and be ready for the summer fun. Mary from Just Plum Crazy.